Hey guys, recently I went live on Facebook and did the song Withholding Nothing, and it's a great worship song, and I wanted to real quickly kind of go over the song. It is in the key of A flat, or at least that's the key I'm doing it in. And you're going to start, it's odd because you do not start or end on A flat, but I will show you why I believe that it's in the key of A flat. And you start on B flat, then you go to A flat, then E flat. You do that again, then you go to D flat, then the E flat. So when you listen to that, now let's go to A flat. You hear that. The only way I can explain it is when a key or a chord is not the root. It sounds like it needs to suspend to something. It sounds like it needs to drop or raise to the note that it needs. So when you're going, withholding nothing, withholding nothing. And this is why you go, I give myself away. When you transition to I give myself away as a medley, you're going to play I give myself away in A flat. So even though the song is not started or ended on A flat, it revolves around A flat. So it's kind of interesting how it does that. Anyway, let's get started. So you're going to start on B flat minor, A flat, E flat. This is how you would kind of just do the intro. You're playing the verse. I just played thirds, octaves, playing the third part harmony of the chord. We get into the song. I surrender all to you. That's B flat minor, A flat, E flat. We play those three chords again. Everything I give to you. And this is like a transition chord, A flat over C. Withholding nothing to the D flat. Withholding nothing to the E flat. And you can do that verse again and again. I surrender all to you. Everything I give to you. Withholding nothing. Withholding nothing. Withholding nothing, withholding nothing, withholding nothing. And all you're doing is going back and forth between the D flat and E flat. So coming from the chorus to the bridge, we're going to be building at the end of that chorus, going into the bridge. It's the same three chords going into the bridge. Yeah, King Jesus, my Savior, forever, I give you all of me, I give you all of me. King Jesus, my Savior, forever, I give you all of me, I give you all of me. And you can do that as many times as you want, and to come out of it, you're going to jump back to the withholding nothing, or the tag part that comes after the verse. Withholding nothing. So that's how you come out of it. Withholding nothing. Withholding nothing. Withholding nothing. Withholding back into the chorus. I give you all of me. Or you can go from the tag back to the verse. Withholding nothing, I surrender all to you. If you want to take this song and take it and go from the end of that to I give myself away as a medley, you're going from withholding nothing, you're on the E flat, the 5 chord, then you just go right back to that 1 chord, that A flat. I give myself away, I give myself away, so you can use me. So that's the way to do that. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps you. You can do those sections in any amount each. You can do the tag and repeat it, the chorus, repeat it. Do the bridge as many times as you like. Go back and forth between those sections. It's really a versatile song, a great worship song. I hope that helps. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Check out some of the other tutorials we got right here. Click on over and keep watching. God bless.